Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Valorant connection error van79, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply restart your PC in Riot Client. So go ahead and just restart your PC. Once you do that, the second step you guys can do is go ahead and open up your task manager. Once you open up your task manager, well, you can do that by clicking Control, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Now go ahead and open up your task manager, and if you have anything that's related to Riot Client open, go ahead and right click on it and hit end task. Now, or if you don't see it here, it might be in background processes, so you could just type search it up in here. So Riot Client, if you have anything related to Riot Client, go ahead and just right click on it and hit end task. And especially for background processes as well, go ahead and right click and hit end task. And once everything is closed, you can go ahead and X out of task manager. You can go ahead and open up Riot Client again and then open up Valorant. Now the third step you guys can do is running Valorant as an administrator, and you can do that by just right clicking on Riot Client and hitting run as an administrator and then opening up the game this way. This can also fix the issue, sorry. And the third thing you guys can do, or fourth thing you guys can do, is just make sure that there are no Riot Client updates, because if there are, then go ahead and just update them. So just go ahead and update Riot Client if there are if there are any updates available. And yeah, that should basically be it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.